Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can get rid of image strings for static images in native iOS as well as macOS application. So quickly, for the output here you can see the iOS simulator. I'm just displaying one image. Similarly for native macOS as well, I'm displaying one image. So here I'll firstly show it for macOS application. So as you can see over here, I have created a native macOS application using AppKit, using Swift and here you can see inside assets I have just added this image, lake. The name of the image is lake. You can add whatever image you feel like, and here all you have to do is just create ns image view, and to initialize your image you can just pass image and whatever is the dot, whatever is the name of the image. So Xcode automatically creates symbol for your images, so you don't have to worry about writing static strings for your images. So this is how you can avoid static string, and rest everything is simple, like ns layout constraint stuff, adding our image view to our view and this stuff. Okay, so that's it for this part. The next part is for iOS. So here again I have created a simple iOS application, UI image view. Again I have taken the same image inside our assets folder with name as lake. You can name it whatever you feel like, take whatever image you feel like, and again you can directly use UI image view, pass your image dot lake, and you can remove hard-coded strings of your static images from your application. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.